zero temperature, and of course I'm running again. Just want to show you guys the river. Oh wow. Yeah, I think right there and here could be fish. Good morning guys again.
Hi.
Same hobby. He's also student driver.
See? Oh my god, Tita! Okay, slowly.
Your first step in the water. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Oh, maybe I can step in there.
I'll give you a hand. Good. Oh, surely. I'm gonna use the brown streamer, about number 4, and she's gonna use I tied last year. It's pretty simple. The simple one, the first one. Looks like it's mine step, look. A little bit more. Yeah, proud of you. Good. There you go. That's fine. I'm here to help you.
Careful, oh boy. There. When you were walking, did you walk by the river?
No, I walk like this. Oh shit. Oh shit.
But I like it. Come on, Kisa. Sorry, I'm making it slow.
Yeah, you can do it there, and I can do it here. See what we can get. So when you're walking in the water, your feet, your leg, how you feel it? Good?
We survived.
Reliable?
Yeah.
Good. Oh,
Yeah, it's thin. You wanna go over there and walk?
I don't think I want to walk, but probably yeah. Yeah, this is $6. I don't want to lost it. It's okay, babe, no worries. Scared? It's okay.
You're gonna go down there.
Could be. But look at this, no deep.
Yeah, but still.
You're doing an awesome job, baby. You hungry?
They caught fish or
Is it? It's not fish.
maybe it's fish. What do you think, alien? Don't touch it, maybe poison. Hey guys.
There you go. They fighting. Good job. So they usually, guys, the goose, they make in pair. And those guy I saw they was fighting before. So those guy probably try to stole. Yeah, yeah, try to punch another guy. So they had short fight, and he won, and everything okay.
You can go by the trees. You want?
Maybe here,
Okay.
hiding from there. We have to make a stop. We're hungry. We're gonna cook. It's everywhere wet. When I can drop my backpack. We're gonna cook. We have a beef noodles. Never try, but Garnet say it's good. Yeah, we also catch a fish already, but it's already like that. Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah, this is
I was
how.
wondering, like, what is this thing?
Yeah, like that. And they have even the light. Then I'm gonna use this pan or pot. What is this?
Pot.
Pot. I'm gonna use camping pot. Put water from river. I'm gonna boil it, and we're gonna eat it. There you go. Looks clear enough. The last time I have a followers, probably about this area here, and or those ones, so probably here. I think it was here or here, and I'm gonna try again. We'll see, but we probably not gonna go far today. Maybe 15-20 minutes downstream, and then I think like Garnet, she like feel cold.
Yeah.
I'm super patient person, so I'm gonna go home with her. We had fun, and we're gonna eat. Oh my god, look at it, guys.
Okay.
Looks so toxic. But I wanna try anyway.
Yeah.
There you go. And everything looks yummy, yummy already. Like from my childhood. Oh. She feel really cold. Just wanna wash it a little bit. Your shoes. There you go.
Thank you.
Not bad, eh? Not bad.
When you cook steak and then you are by yourself,
Yeah, maybe.
because
Really?
bears could be here, you know?
could be. And seal gold foods, freshwater salmon. Probably inside already a couple years. Almost boat roll. Here, take it.
Ay, Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu.
Hold it.
Shih Tzu, eh? Let's go.
I can't feel my feet now. It's worse. Oh my
Can you hear
God.
them?
Ah!
Let's go.
It's funny.
Let's go, baby.